Salutations, second graders. Welcome to Phonics, lesson 18 in our mobile learning platform. Today we are looking at page 156, and then we're taking our phonics test. So make sure that you're ready to do one phonics paper and one phonics test. Shouldn't take us too long, but make sure you're ready and you're paying attention. All right, here we go. Get out your paper. We're on page 156, and we'll get started. Here we are, friends. Today we need to finish the sentences. So they give us two choices, and we're going to pick the very best sentence choice to make our sentence make sense. Then we'll write it on the line. Okay, that's what we're going to do for number one. So it says an Indian may wear a reach or a feather. What's going to make sense there, second graders? Reach or feather? Adeline, what do you think? Feather. So you'll just write that on our line. Okay, so go ahead and you'll do 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Let's scroll down and we are going to write the rhyming words. Now listen, friends, we're not all going to have the same words that rhyme because for some of these, there are many, many words that rhyme. So can you give me a word that rhymes with the word beach? Remember, look, it's showing me right here. The E in leaf, right, is the same sound we hear in beach. So what can you tell me? Can you give me, sorry friends, 1 second. I think we're having a small problem. Yikes. Okay, I hope that didn't make it funky on your side. Here we go. We're gonna do the E in beach. I am looking for a word, Valentina. Teach. Good one. Okay, I'm going to let you come up with some other words that have the same E in beach sound. But remember, a rhyme sounds the same at the end of the word, just like rhyme time. So I have beach, teach. So I want you to come up with 2 more words that rhyme. Okay, we'll come back to them later. Then we have the in thread, right? Okay, so bread. Can you give me a word that rhymes with bread? Joshua. Head. Very good. Bread, head. Okay, you guys come up with rhyming words. Second graders, you've got this, no problem. Okay, we're gonna write yes or no. God is pleased with neat work. What do you think, Trinity? Yes, he is. Good job. Okay, I want you to listen carefully. We're going to move into our phonics test that we'll do together. Then I want you to come back and finish this page. Then you'll hold on to your test until you turn in your packet to me. Okay, so here we go with our phonics test. We're doing phonics test number 30. Have that out in front of you. It looks just like this. Everybody write your name on your paper now. Okay, so you're going to write your name and you're going to be ready to move on. Here we go. We're going to write a special sound that I say. So listening carefully because we're not in class, but the beauty is you can always rewind if you need to, right? So our first special sound is the N in nodded. Please write down the N in nodded. Number 2. Show me the in wrinkly. Can you write down the in wrinkly? Number 3. In lambs. In lambs. Number 4. In whoever. The in whoever. Number 2 says mark the words with A in steak. Go ahead, friends, and mark the words that have the same A sound in steak. So I will read you the words. You're going to mark the ones that have the A in steak. Already, weather, greatest, pleasantly, breathless, breaking. Okay, let's move on. Now your job is to match the opposites. Second graders, you're going to match the opposites. And then for number 4, I want you to add the suffixes to those words. Okay? Now all of those are things you can finish a little later if you haven't finished yet. Let's turn our papers over and continue. We're going to write the compound word that I say. Ready, friends? These are compound words, so don't make a space between them. Smush them together so they're one word. The first word is pocket knife. Pocket knife. I have a pocket knife to use when I go camping. Pocket knife. Pocket knife. And your second compound word is ballpark. Ballpark. When I go to the ballpark, I like to get popcorn. Ballpark. Okay, so number 5's compound words were pocket knife and ballpark. And number 6, you will write the sentence that I say. Second graders, pay special attention to capitalization and punctuation. Okay, here we go. Luke and Mitch went river rafting last April. 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 Check your sentence. Be sure you have all the right capitals, all the right punctuation, and that you didn't capitalize any word that doesn't need one. Okay? All right, second graders, one more time for that sentence, and I'm going to go ahead and go back to the worksheet, and I will finish that. You need to finish your test on page 156 today. Okay, so here we go. Luke and Mitch went river rafting last April. Okay, friends, moving on. We are supposed to do some reading. If you can find someone to read the one row to, that'd be awesome. But if you cannot, that's okay. I do want you to read them, and I want you to circle your special sounds and mark your vowels. I'm going to move us along, though. Let's take a look. Ready? Let's finish up our worksheet. Remember to always write neatly. The leaf floated down the stream. Good. You guys can shout out the answers today. Go ahead. If you see a mouse, you may scream. It is fun to play on the beach. All right, second graders. I'm going to let you figure out the rhyming words. Okay, I could go beach, teach, reach, each, bleach. I bet you can think of some ones I didn't think of. Bread, head, lead, med, spread, thread, right? You can think of some I didn't think of. Write them down. Now, you're going to tell me yes or no. Neat work makes me glad. Well, yes, it does. I love it when I can read your work. A feather is heavy. No way, Mrs. Mueller. And the beach is a hot, dry place. Yeah, sometimes it sure is, right? Okay. Second graders. I guess the beach really can't be dry. Why is the beach dry? It has an ocean right next to it. Okay, but it is hot if you go in the summer. So it's not really a hot, dry place because it has water next to it. So no, it's not dry. The ocean's wet. Okay, second graders, we're all human and we all make mistakes. I want you to have a beautiful day and a great weekend. And I will see you next time for more mobile learning. Bye.